July 12th is celebrated as Paper Bag Day worldwide. This day encourages the use of paper bags instead of plastic bags to protect the environment. Paper bags are biodegradable and eco-friendly, making them a sustainable choice for carrying groceries. They are made from renewable resources like trees, reducing the carbon footprint. Paper bags can be easily recycled and reused, minimizing waste and pollution. On Paper Bag Day, people are encouraged to switch to using paper bags for shopping. Many retailers offer discounts or incentives for customers who bring their own paper bags. This day raises awareness about the harmful effects of plastic bags on the environment and wildlife. By choosing paper bags over plastic, we can all make a positive impact on the planet. So, this Paper Bag Day, let's join hands in making a greener and cleaner world together.